understanding, before posting any document, few setting you have to check it. Okay. Uh, so first one is you have to perform the consistency check. So let's log in. Go to SAP. Okay. Then go to SPRO, reference IMG, financial accounting, global setting, ledger. So here you have to do the consistency check. It has T code also. So you can follow T code. T code is little big one. Okay. Now click on this one. So since it is practice system, there will be many errors. But if it is real system, if you are in project, there won't be such huge error. But yes, there may be some error. So go here and give your company code and check if there is any issues there. Okay. So no hit mean there is no error message below. Similarly, check for US 76, IN 75. Okay. So there is no error. If there is no error in this one, it means that it is okay. If there is any error, then accordingly um, you have to take the action. Let's say here for someone, this is somebody's company, it is telling that this one allocation indicator shouldn't be empty. Okay, so this is one error. So similarly, if you go below, different error will see currency conversion not maintained. Okay, for this company code for A1 ledger. So like this, if you have missed any configuration, it will show here. Okay, so you have to correct them. This is the first consistency you have to check. Then this is you have to check. It is basically you have to check in the practice system that how many ledgers are linked to your company code, because in the practice system people keep on assigning your company code to some other ledger, some other company code they will assign to your ledger. Okay, so you need to be little bit careful. You can check it. So this is the table. There are many other table, but this is the table you can use and you can check. Sorry, here go. There are many other tables are there, but this is one of the table I generally use. Okay, give here your company code and run it. Okay, so there are only three ledgers are assigned and these are our ledgers only. Similarly, check for 76. Here also three only, and check IN 75. See, for IN 75 there are many ledger assigned. So this ledger, this ledger, this ledger are additional ledger assigned. So you have to delete your company code from this ledger, from additional ledgers. Okay, don't delete ledger. Delete your company code from the ledger setting. Okay, so one I will show you how to delete. I have yesterday also I have shown you. Okay, go to fin_ledger. Check it here. S4. If you want to remove from S4, come to here ledger. S4. Go to here. Then give IN 75 and remove from here your company code. Okay, and save it. Likewise, if you click here, it will go yes for gun. So you have to, you should remove all your unnecessary ledger assigned to your company code. Okay, this is the second consistency check. You can do it. Okay, then another thing, make sure that document splitting is, see this one, document splitting, make sure that document splitting is active, because in practice system people keep on deactivating. Okay, when, because it is done mostly at the client level. In real businesses everybody activated client level, nobody goes, at least in my experience I have not seen that half company codes are using document splitting, half company code are not using document splitting. Okay, so all the company code will use the document splitting. If half is using, half is not using, they cannot perform the intercompany transaction. So make sure that document splitting is activated. Even in real time also you check. Okay, Pallav was telling, right? So Pallav was telling item category wrongly assigned, but in one of the student was telling that they didn't notice document splitting was deactivated by some mistake. And in production system they posted few documents. Later on they realized that no, document splitting is deactivated. So that kind of scenario may also come in the in your system, in, I mean in your business case also. So make sure that you, during the cutover time you are validating this also properly, that document splitting is really active in the production system. Okay, so this also you check, because it happens, it is practice system, so people keep on activating and deactivating. So go to general ledger, business transaction here. So first of all, this characteristics you check. Okay, so it is active. Okay, so no problem. The net company code level also check. Generally people when they get error, they make changes in this one only. They don't generally go and here deactivate, I'm sure. But however, you just check it, okay, while during practice time. Now next one, very important is that when you're practicing, you don't bother much about this configuration, but you have to bother this one. Okay, I have taught you. Next one, see here, next one I told you. This one, in the ledger there are some views are there. Okay, so that views, see here, either you can follow finish underscore ledger or path also. So I think I have opened somewhere. Okay, see here, see for every ledger there is some views are there. Okay, once it is posted you cannot change this view. Let me see where I have opened. Here I have opened. Once you change it, sorry, once you post, you cannot view it. So this valuation are basically used for the material ledger purpose. Okay, there is one concept called material ledger. But if so, material ledger, multiple valuation you can handle with multiple uh, ledger with multiple view. So there are multiple ways are there to handle the material ledger. So if material ledger consultant is telling that I need in the ledger, I want to handle the material ledger from the material ledger view, then only you keep view. Otherwise you keep blank here. Okay, you have to keep blank here. This is very, very important. Okay, this is very, very important. If you are implementing, then you keep this blank. This should be blank. Okay, this should be blank. But somebody has already posted, so I'm not able to change it. When I was configuring, I think I can change it. So let me change it. No, I can't change because posting is already exist. So this is very important. Okay, you should not make mistake in this one. If it is, if material ledger is not handling from the valuation view, then you have to keep this blank. Very important point. I know when you're practicing, you randomly practice anything, but this has a lot of meaning. So please keep this view as a blank, okay, when you're configuring for all the ledger, or whichever ledger you are using, for all the ledger you have to keep it blank.